Gonna be putting some Plasti Dip on the rims on my Focus ST tonight. It's very late, but it's also Texas in the summer, so it's very hot. Didn't want to do it during the day. Didn't want to risk not being applied correctly. Gotta dry this rim off real quick, and then I'll be applying the first coat. Just gotta get some of the water off of this. It's probably gonna take a while. I gotta make sure it's perfectly dry so the paint actually sticks. Whew, this thing's looking nice now that it's all clean, all smooth. Ready to apply the first coat once I get all the masking equipment put on the brake caliper and the lug nuts. Alright, there's the rotor. Alright, I got everything masked off. Gonna apply the first coat of paint. Be right back. And we got the first coat of paint in, and whew, this stuff stinks. Anybody ever play that Steam game, My Summer Car, and you can just instantly spray paint your wheels with one of the spray can items? Yeah, I wish it was this easy. Has it been 15 minutes yet? Alright, 15 minutes passed. Perfectly okay to do the second coat now. It's actually pretty difficult filming and painting at the same time. Now we just gotta wait another 15 minutes. Great. 3 coats in, and it is not looking all that bad, though this is my first time doing Plasti Dip, but can't wait to apply the glossifier later. Now we're about 4 coats in, and it is not looking that bad at all. I think I'm liking the way it's turning out. I just gotta go get the glossifier once I'm done with the 5th coat. Alright, about to apply the final coat of Plasti Dip before I have to go on and apply the glossifier for the rim. Not bad. Alright, it's time for the glossifier. Here we go. Oh man, I'm nervous. That'll do it. Finishes, there's a couple bumps here and there, but I like it. It's a really nice first car mod. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you later.